It's another Loyal Subjects opening, unboxing. This is Ghostbusters, obviously. Everyone's favourite Ghostbuster, Egon. Egon, slimy ones. They've got 4 Ghostbusters with slime. The ghost looks quite good. The library ghost quite good, and it glows in the dark. There's a glow in the dark. Slimer. I would have liked the Slimer, but I'm not sure about the detail on Slimer there. But yeah, I'm very impressed with these Loyal Subjects. We've got kind of the design quality of an art toy, but we've got the articulation and posability of an action figure. The Predator one I looked at recently, I was kept spotting lots of little details that I'd missed. Okay, the problem with Neutrona ones on figures is they often get bent. This is no exception. The glasses are actually separate pieces, that's quite good. It doesn't look like you can connect it to the pack, but that's not a big problem. I collect spores, molds and fungus. Sorry Venkman, I'm terrified beyond the capacity for rational thought. He also comes with a very nice little PK meter. I like the little green screen on it, and a walkie-talkie. I don't think those are attachable anywhere on his uniform. So yeah, another good one from Loyal Subjects. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, if someone asks you if you're a guard, you say yes.